We have practice in our training called Three Treasure Standing Meditation. And the specialty about this Three Treasure Standing Meditation is that it trains our willpower. Yeah. So what is willpower? What is willpower? Ordinarily, say willpower, you have endurance. Yeah, you can go through the hardness. You can put up with the hardship. Yeah, physically, emotionally, mentally. Yeah, that's the willpower. Yeah. And actually, this willpower, when we say that Three Treasure Standing Meditation can empower us, is more than that. Yeah, it's not just the bitterness, or we say the strength you suffer, you have the strength to suffer. Not that. The strength, the endurance that you can hold is endorsed with the other part of energy. We say lower dantian is energy core here, give you the strength of standing up, right? Gives the strength to make things happen. But if you can just put up with things, you're not guided with big compassion, with this heart energy. You're not guided with the wisdom energy. You're like a wild animal, strong but aimless. So this willpower is that you're not only good at facing the difficulty, but also you have the guidance and compassion and passion to make things going through. So when we say you have this willpower, it's like you're like driving a super powerful four-wheel drive. It doesn't matter whether it's bumpy road, icy road, muddy road, sandy road, you drive through with huge confidence and achieve a great achievement. That's what we call willpower that can be empowered with Three Treasure Standing Meditation.